The specialized harvesters allow the crews to move quickly, ensuring peak freshness for the thousands of melons collected each day.
Easy now, lower it steady.
Confirmation on trailer 7. The load is secure and ready for departure.
These convoys deliver millions of pounds of fresh watermelons daily, ensuring a continuous flow from the fields to the massive processing facility.
All right, keep it coming straight back. We're already processing the morning's deliveries at peak capacity.
The factory processes over 1,000 watermelons an hour, utilizing precision machinery for perfect slices.
We're seeing optimal performance on the extraction sequence.
Agreed. The volume on the recycling conveyor is steady. Keep an eye on the temperature in tank 3.
Got it. The seals look good here.
We need to log the color consistency every 15 minutes.
The flow rate on the pulverizer is steady at 500 liters per minute.
Good. Maintain current pressure settings.
The flow rate is holding steady at 5,000 liters per hour.
Optimal efficiency maintained across all centrifuges.
Look at how clean that separation is. The bricks levels are stable. Yeah.
Yes, the automated sorting is flawless today.
The bricks level is holding steady at 12.2.
Good. Acidity is within the target range as well.
The temperature is holding steady at 45 degrees Celsius.
Consistency levels are optimal.
Loop 3 temperature is stable at 95.
Keep the flow rate steady. The heat exchange looks efficient.
The vision system is flagging a recurring error on the seals.
Let's monitor the torque settings for the next hour.
Thousands of bottles are scanned every hour. The AI vision system ensures only perfect products make it to the final checkpoint.
The Delta robots here handle the grouping with incredible precision, minimizing any potential downtime.
We need Bay 3 loaded first, the international shipment.
Confirmed. Forklift 7 is on its way now.
From the farm to the shelf, we ensure every bottle captures the vibrant taste of summer.